Jillian Ward and Michael Sager have wrapped up taping for their show, My Ilonggo Girl, and the Sparkle stars couldn't help but feel a mix of emotions. In Laura Santiago's report on 24 na oras, Friday, Jillian shared that being part of the show is an unforgettable experience. Hindi namin makakalimutan kasi ako po personally sobrang nag-enjoy ako making this project, coming from a show na drama po talaga at na-enjoy ko yung pagiging funny ng characters, na rom-com siya, she said. Meanwhile, Michael expressed his sadness about the show ending because he had gotten attached to the people. Somehow nalulungkot talaga ako kasi yung attachment ko with the show, with the prod, with my castmates and of course with Jill. Ninanamnam ko, cherish ko na yung mga moments namin sa set, he said. My Ilonggo Girls, finale week is next week, and viewers still have a lot to watch for in the series. While taping for one scene, Jillian and Michael couldn't help but turn emotional, although they did not share details about the specific scene. Yung iyak namin is parang malapit siya sa real-life scenario namin, she said. Michael added, I was looking into Jill's eyes and naramdaman ko talaga na I cherish ko na tong moments na to as my way of saying thank you. Yung attachment ko with her, with the show is very, very solid. Aside from Jillian and Michael, My Ilonggo Girl also stars Myrtle Sarosa, R. San Agustin, Liane Valentine, Empoy Marquez, Teresa Loizaga, Arlene Mulak, Richard Cuan, Andrea Del Rosario, Vince Maristela, and Jay Omana. It airs Mondays to Thursdays at 9:30 p.m. on GMA Prime.